A student wants to find out whether the amount of light a plant receives affects how tall it grows. She sets up 3 identical potted plants, one in normal sunlight, one under a bright grow lamp, and one in a dark cupboard. But to get a reliable answer, she needs to design this experiment carefully. She needs to understand 3 types of variables. The first is the independent variable. This is the one thing she deliberately changes, the cause she's testing. Here, that's the amount of light. She's testing 3 levels: normal, high, and none. An easy way to remember it: I change it. I for independent, I. The second is the dependent variable. This is what she measures, the result. Here, that's the height of each plant, measured in centimeters after a set number of weeks. She doesn't control this value, she simply records what happens. An easy way to remember: it gives you your data. D for dependent, D for data. The third is the controlled variables. These are everything else that must stay exactly the same to keep the test fair. She uses the same pot size, the same soil, and gives each plant the same amount of water. If she gave one plant more water than the others, she wouldn't know whether it was the light or the extra water that caused any difference in growth. An easy way to remember: keep it fair. Change one thing, measure one thing, keep everything else the same. That's what makes an experiment fair, and that's how scientists find out what really causes what.